Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. For those of you who are new here, my name is Mariana.
My name is Rodrigo.
And we are building a homestead from scratch here in Brazil. And from the clips you have already seen, today we harvested our first bananas. Look how pretty they are. I don't know how many we have here, but only in this part here we have 25. Here we have 17, and these ones I haven't counted yet. Only this here, I think an animal ate, a bird, I don't know what ate it, but the other ones are intact. We are going to wait for it to be ready for us to eat, but we are so happy with this. We already have another banana that is being prepared back in our backyard, so we are really happy. And today we are already preparing our lunch because right now it's 1 p.m. almost 1:30. Come here, let me show you. Here we have ribs. We like to do it this way. It's very well seasoned. And soon we'll be eating here, me, Rodrigo, and our handyman, Bila. And also, we have to finish, the smoke in my eyes. Here we are going to finish the plastering putty application. Today, this bedroom will be finalized. Like this wall here, we are going to finalize. And also this part up here and that one. Today we'll finish. And another thing we are going to do today is to install all these little boxes here for the outlets, because as I mentioned previously, I think in the past video, we'll have the electrician coming over here. So all these holes in the walls, they have these yellow tubes. We are going to place there a yellow box for the outlets. So there will be another one, other one here, over there, there. So we have, here will be a light switch, and here we have another outlet. So we have to get everything ready for the electrician. That's how this room is so far. Rodrigo has done a lot already. This part of the wall is finished, and this one we are waiting for it to dry a bit, so then we can remove the exceeding putty, and the same for this one. And after that, Rodrigo will make these parts of the walls smooth. And while these walls dry a bit, Rodrigo is over here in the other room. Hello. Rodrigo is breaking this wall because, as I mentioned before, we need to pass the yellow tubes all over here so the electrician can work here.
Hi guys, my English is basic, you know. I study English, but I'm lazy. Lazy, but I'm lazy.
Yes, Rodrigo sometimes tries to study in a consistent manner, but sometimes he fails and then he stops and it's difficult to pick up again. But once we are here, living here, he'll have more time and he will study because he wants to speak more with you. That's why I'm the one who presents the channel, because for now he doesn't speak English very well yet, but he will. Right? We will study?
I study English.
Yes, you study, guys. So here are the yellow tubes. As I told you, we are going to use the plastering putty to plug it to the wall. And after that, tomorrow, we are going to install these yellow boxes over here for the electrician to complete his work. That's what we are doing today. And after this, we are still going to finish the other room. A lot of things to do. It's a new day here. It's a pretty day today. All the days that we have been here this week, it hasn't rained, only sun, very pretty weather. Look at those beautiful trees, I love them. Here we call them Manacá da Serra. They have beautiful flowers, I love to see them. And today we woke up really early, like 6 a.m., 7, and we started working and doing a lot of things here. And we are only starting this video now. It's almost 12 p.m., almost noon, and we are working inside. Don't mind all this mess here. We are more worried about the works we have to do. And here, as you can see, we have this box here for an outlet. I intend on working here on the porch, looking to the lake. It would be awesome. Here we have another one. We put some outlets outside so that if we need to use a tool or something, we have this outlet here prepared. Let me show you inside. While Rodrigo was putting these boxes on the walls, I was cleaning these ones here, because when we did it, we left a lot of plaster and putty inside and it was dried, so it took a little to clean it. And here Rodrigo is breaking the wall to install one of the outlets.
Here.
This one will be for the light switch and for an outlet as well. It's a very difficult job here in our bedroom. All the boxes have been installed. Of course, the finishing touch we are going to do it later once this putty here is a little bit more dried. So here we have, I think it's 7 boxes like this. We have one here, another one over there, and here you can see that we put a plastic bag inside so that it will be easier to clean. There. And this side is the one we are intending on putting our bedroom or our bed. So we have an outlet for myself and one for Rodrigo. I don't know which side will be for each one. I believe this one will be for Rodrigo and this one for me. I'm not sure. This one here will be the light switch. Here just an outlet for an appliance. I don't know which one. Maybe if you want to put a TV here, I'm not sure. And to clean, it was difficult because the putty was completely dried inside. So I was using this tool here. Let me try to focus. This tool. then this brush, and this small piece here of flannel, but it's coming out nicely, as you can see here. So soon.
Here, my wife.
Oh yes, I was forgetting. So I forgot to mention that on the other side of this wall we are going to have another one like this, because as I mentioned, we like to have outlets on the interior side of the house and also outside, so that if we need to use a tool. And let me show you one more thing. In the back of this wall we are also going to have an outlet outside, I think for the washing machine and this. So here we are still needing to put all the boxes. We have this one here, but we are missing the others. We need to install one here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we are in a hurry because today is the 3rd day we are here and we need to go home. So we are finishing this, and once it's finished I'm going to show you again. See you later. Guys, it's 2 p.m. now and we finalized everything. You can see here that these ones are a little bit forward, the wall. It's because we are still going to apply plastering putty here, but it's all finished. This is room number 2. On place. Here too. And in this one, everything finished. I cleaned when Rodrigo finished, so it's all perfect. This one over there. We are really happy to have finished this all. It's so clean, tidy. And I'm going to finalize this video here outside with this beautiful view, as I like to finish. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!